I am Jed from GDK Veneering. These are Bentley Turbo R door cappings. Now, you've seen some of my other videos where the lacquer mainly starts chipping off from the top. That's exactly what all these are doing. But the difference is, one of these is a long wheelbase and the other one is a normal standard Bentley Turbo R. Now, the only difference is, now the front door cappings look like this, and that's the one from the long wheelbase. You can see they're exactly the same other than the veneer. Now the rear ones, that's where the difference is. You can see I'm going to line them up there like that, and that is the difference, about another 6 inches or so. It's actually different on that. So obviously it's a bigger door capping, they will cost slightly more, but the lacquers start to fail even on the front of these. You see it's gone all milky there. So all these are going to be stripped off, re-lacquered, re-stained, repainted, sanded, polished, back to perfection again. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Please click like, share and tell your friends. Bye.